cha angeke ngiluke ngisho amagama ngikubonile uhlekisa ngami lapha ukuthi ngiyakhala ngikhalela uSine ngizolungisa leyo nto ukuthi yazi wena mfana unenkinga uyokubona mangaba izingane zakho sezikhulile siyobe sihlupha wena.
Honestly speaking, guys, it is every parent's dream to see ingane yabo doing so well than them. So it seems like uMasamsaleka has finally accepted Usne njengengane yakhe, guys. There's nothing he can do. He has been dragging Usne from season 1 to season 8. Right now, he decided to say, you know what? Let me just accept ingane yami. So today, uMasamsaleka posted a picture yakhe noSne wathi i-caption. One thing about Masamsaleka uyindlondlo yama caption, with the caption ukozala, guys. Only few people will understand ukuthi kunzima ukuzala, guys. You know, you expect your kids to do so well, but there's nothing you can do. Usne uyingane yakho. People have been saying ukuthi Masamsaleka, if you don't love Usne, ubani uzothanda Usne? Remember, Usne, she doesn't have a mother. I'm not saying ukuthi Usne, she doesn't deserve to be successful. She has to go back to school and focus. There's a lot of things Usne she can do, guys. Education is not for everyone, and I see a lot of ladies, when it comes to Sne, they act as if bona abanabo ubusne emzini wabo. Guys, we all have Sne in our house, and now we're gonna act as if Sne is the first woman to have 3 kids with different baby mama. How many women here in South Africa? Some even have 5. What is going on with you? Let's judge, let's accept Sne, guys. You know, she's 32 years old. She can start a business, she can do something. I'm not saying Sne should sit down and do nothing. All I'm saying is that let's judge less, guys. We all have our own skeleton. We are not perfect, but here we are coming and judging Sne as if Tina, our life is all perfect. We went to school, we got married, and then we have kids. Kandi Dololo, we are all struggling. Honestly speaking, I'm happy to see Usne and Masamsaleka in good terms. So still remember there was a time where uMacele, she has to be there for Sne and Nkosiyami uMseleko angamfuni Usne. So right now to see them together, spending time together, guys, it's a good thing. So anyway, guys, let's get to another story, guys. Uthobile Mseleko posted this beautiful picture with a caption. One thing I'm a caption, she is in Jondo Yama caption now. Uthobile, she has now copy Masamsaleka Sunday breakfast for God's favorite child, and people were so happy to see Uguti. She's doing so well. I know after what Magdala said about her, guys, you know, we thought she's gonna disappear, she's gonna take break from social media. But one thing what told me, she understand Uguti, I'm an influencer, you know, beside my 9 to 5, I need to make money on social media. No wonder why she's rich, guys. She has a lot of stream of income. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care. First of all, I love you. Bye.